Hello again, and we are with Ahmed today in Irpin and Bucha, exploring the outskirts and the territories that were under the occupation in 2022. So our first stop is the bridge, Romanivsky Bridge, that we blown up when the Russian troops come into Kyiv, and maybe you remember that it's like a world famous photo where all civilians were trying to evacuate.
The old one, and they build a new one?
Yes, rebuilding. Say hi.
Hi! Today we're exploring a new place. I didn't know, like, only 30 minutes away from Kyiv,
Yeah,
there was like a battlefield.
Yes, huge battlefield, and some Russian troops even managed to go inside there.
The church.
Yeah, not church, like Kyiv, like
yeah,
street
yeah.
that when we pass, I showed you. So this is like looks now memory, because I've been here 1 month ago and I didn't see the bench.
Okay, so they are working, they are building new stuff.
Yeah, it's like for memory. So next place where we stop, it's in Irpin. When Ukrainian army came here and they saw the dead body on the streets and what the Russian did, they just found like a place where they can put all their civilian cars. They try to evacuate from this area to Kyiv and just temporarily here, and then it's somehow become like a memory place where you can see and witness how many civilians were killed from the bullets, that Russian troops even didn't let them to escape, just making another war crime. And my goal is again to show and to speak about important information to Ahmed, and Ahmed is shooting the video for his audience, explaining what is going on here, how the occupation was what Russia did here on our land. And just to let you know, when you came to Kyiv, that is like some tours to Bucha, tours to Irpin. I check, like, I don't like this word because imagine like it's just like bus with a guide, they're going to do like a tour. So for me it's like a little bit strange. I usually say, like, if you would like to see how Ukrainians continue live their life and how they go through the occupation, and you can see the place that were under occupation, we can go and see. Like, I go mostly individually, but like organizing like a bus tour and bringing here like for excursion while it's still war going on, for me it's like, I don't know, it's a little bit too early. I don't know, like, not, I don't feel like it's a right moment. So my goal is like to sharing the information, showing the place, and showing how we're strong and how we fast rebuild actually everything, because you can see around like new buildings.
It's really sad to see this, really sad. Because
Yeah.
these cars are for at least civilians.
Yeah,
right?
volunteer civilians, like people were under occupation, they sit with kids, with parents,
Yeah.
sit and just try to
I
go
mean,
to Kyiv.
Every car of this
Yeah, and they was just
this
shoot.
is like a family or
Yes.
like a kid inside, maybe older people, I don't know, but
Yeah.
it's really sad to see.
They was just killed.
Yeah, oh my,
No chance for life. There was not militaries, it's like civilians.
it's really sad.
I don't know what is this, to be honest. Opposite, I know, culture center. Here, not sure. I don't know.
I can film?
You can film, but I'm not sure about like mines, some stuff, some dogs.
From outside maybe,
Yeah, shoot from outside.
but I think they probably have cleaned everything. تقول لي خلي بالك كنت داخل.
After we liberate Irpin and Bucha and other areas around Kyiv, we renovate the apartment and house very fast, and if you go you can see a lot of new buildings, very well prepared, nice renovation and so on. And only sometimes you can see like some houses that are just there, and maybe later we do something from them. So Ahmed is going inside to explore one of them. But we came here because of the Irpin Central Culture House, and Russia destroyed it, and I would like to see and show Ahmed what is there inside, how it looks like, that Russia like destroyed everything what they
The old
see.
building. It's like 4 floors and it's all down.
Yeah, it looks like some hospital,
It looks like
formal
a
hospital. Yeah,
Wow. Or maybe a government building.
more like hospital. Reminds me of a hospital. That's why I want to show you that is culture place, culture central house in Irpin. Like, you know, was a place for different concerts and so on, and this was how it looks like after Russians came to our land. Still here inside you can go if you find the open entrance, because
I don't think they will leave it open, but let's see.
let's see.
Is the first time to go inside?
I just didn't feel like to go inside really. Yeah. So this was Russian piece left in our land, and you can see nice European help. They support Ukrainian help. You know what's interesting in European? Some places are rebuilt and like look new, and some of them you can see full of Russian bullets.
Yeah,
So-
back here there's many buildings that are already
Yeah, I
set
just
on fire or like.
you can see these houses look like completely new, just a part of this need a renovation, and the house behind like without even some floors on the very top.
You can see some bullets.
Yeah, this is church in Bucha. People were hiding here, and later it's become a place for mass grave. And we also can see the information that after the liberation, 116 bodies were exhumated here.
116.
Yeah, because Russian came and they tortured our civilians. And if you walk like around, you can see from the far massive grave, like place memory place.
Yeah, I mean, because most of the people who were here were civilians, not the
Yeah.
army. So
Yeah, it's cool. So we finished in Bucha and Irpin. I showed the places that were like destroyed, where people were hidden, and while I was driving, I showed the places around that is like life is going on, and brand new houses, even like behind me, I show you, and then we are going back to Kyiv. Yeah, like everywhere, brand new houses around. So we are already back to city Kyiv, and I decided to stop near Lukyanevska metro station. It's where was the attack on Children's Cancer Hospital and on the underground, and hit the house opposite. So they have a video in my phone. From this day I was like not far having breakfast, and there was loud explosions in the Kyiv in July, and it was like the day of the most dead cases in Kyiv because of the Russia.
this July.
So this is how it looks right now, and I know what I always said to tourists and everyone who is visiting Kyiv is like, despite everything, despite the war, the life is going on. We rebuilt everything and going to job, continue to live our life. And it is opposite me is underground, Lukyanevska, and during the attack you cannot get into the train station underground because it was blocked. Did you shoot a video?
Yeah, I'm done. But yeah, it's crazy that it's only 1 month ago.
Yeah.
It can happen now while we are standing here.
Could happen, like, you know what I say, there is no safe place in Ukraine.
Yeah.
You never know. But
It's fine, but it's never safe.
yes, but we believe in the best.
Yeah.
So
I was shocked, yeah. 1 month ago. Ooh.
so I think that's it.
Yeah?
So this is for today. I hope you enjoy the video, outskirts of Kyiv, Bucha, Irpin, and a little bit of Kyiv. And
Yeah, today was a nice tour. It was different.
yeah, so see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and support my channel. Watch the channel of Ahmed if you understand Arabic.
Yeah.
So see you soon.
See you in
Thank
the
you for
next video.
supporting. Yeah, bye.
Bye.